Hello friends, how are you? In last lecture we discussed about the factorization by splitting the middle term. In that we taking the two most important concepts. First one is if constant term has positive sign, and second one if constant term has negative sign. If constant term has positive sign, take the factors of constant term such that their addition is equal to middle term. अब इसमें दो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होते हैं. If middle term has positive sign, both the factors have positive sign. If middle term has negative sign, both the factors have negative sign. Okay? और second one concept हमने लिया था, if constant term has negative sign. if constant term को क्या sign है? Negative sign है. Then take the factors of constant term such that their difference is equals to middle term. अब ग्रेटर फैक्टर को मिडल टर्म का साइन देना है और स्मॉलर फैक्टर को उसका अपोजिट साइन देना है. ये कॉन्सेप्ट थे कब इफ द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर इज 1. हम सेम कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करने वाले हैं, उसमें कुछ भी चेंज नहीं होने वाला. फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड बेस्ड अपॉन दिस टू कॉन्सेप्ट्स. ओके, बट टुडे वी टेकन द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर इज रादर देन 1. अगर कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर रादर देन 1 है तो उसको कैसा सॉल्व करना है? कॉन्सेप्ट सेम यूज करना है, बट मैं एक स्टेप थोड़ा एक्सटेंड करना पड़ेगा हमको यहाँ पे. ओके, लेट अस स्टार्ट. इफ द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर इज रादर देन 1, देन सॉल्व द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. ओके, टेक द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. I am taking the very first 3x square minus 14x. The first question is 3x square minus 14x minus 5 is equals to 0. This is the first question. Okay. So here the coefficient of x square is 3. It is rather than 1. 3x square minus 14x minus 5 is equals to 0. Okay. So coefficient of x square is 3. Constant term is 5. Sign को बाद में देखेंगे. Okay, so take the number, the product of coefficient of x square and constant term. So 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So 15 के ऐसे फैक्टर्स ले लो जिनका डिफरेंस आना चाहिए मिडल टर्म, बिकॉज 5 को साइन क्या है? कांस्टेंट टर्म हैज नेगेटिव साइन. कॉन्सेप्ट वही रहेगा कल जो हमने स्टडी किया था. ओके, यस्टरडे वी डिस्कस ऑलरेडी. 3 5s are 15. Take the factors of 15 such that their difference is equals to 14 for splitting of middle term. So factors are no doubt 15 ones are 15. 15 minus 1 is 14. So taking the 3x square, which one is greater? 15. 15 has the middle term sign. Therefore 3x square minus 15x plus x minus 5 is equals to 0. So here both the numbers are in the multiple of 3. So take the 3x common. 3x in bracket x minus 5. Take the plus 1 common because we need the x minus 5 as a second bracket also. X minus 5 is equals to 0. Then first bracket x minus 5 and second bracket is 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so we taken x minus 5 is equals to 0 or 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. Yesterday we discussed already. So x is equals to minus 5 convert into plus 5 or x is equals to plus 1 convert into minus 1 and 3 goes in the form of division. So what is the values of x? X is equals to 5 or x is equals to minus 1 by 3. This is the solution of given quadratic equation. Are you got it? So next one, we take in the next one question. Nine x square minus 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. इसको सॉल्व करना है. What is the coefficient of x square? 9, and constant term is 2. Take its product. 9 2s are 18, और 18 के फैक्टर्स फाइंड करने हैं हमको, जिसका डिफरेंस आना चाहिए एडिशन. करेक्ट, डिफरेंस, बिकॉज कांस्टेंट टर्म हैज नेगेटिव साइन. डिफरेंस ऑफ फैक्टर इज 3, सो फैक्टर्स आर 6 3s are 18. 9 into 2 18. 18 के फैक्टर्स ले रहे, जिनका डिफरेंस आना चाहिए 3, फैक्टर्स आर 6 and 3. So we taken the, therefore 9x square greater factor has middle term sign, that is minus 6x plus 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Take the 3x common, 3x minus 2, take the plus 1 common, 3x minus 2 is equals to 0, remains as it is because we are taking 1 common. So first bracket आएगा 3x minus 2, हम उसको कॉमन निकाल रहे, remains 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so therefore the value of 3x minus 2 is equals to 0, or 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. If 3x minus 2 is 0, therefore 3x is equals to minus 2 convert into plus 2, or 3x is equals to plus 1 convert into minus 1. Therefore x is equals to 2 by 3, or x is equals to minus 1 by 3. This is the solution of given quadratic equation. Are you got it? Write it carefully. Take the next question. Okay. Next one question is 16x minus 10 upon x is equals to 27. 16x minus 10 upon x is equals to 27. Okay. If you observe the question, हमको ऐसा लगता है कि this is not a quadratic equation, but if you do the subtraction, it is converted into quadratic equation. Okay. So 16x minus 10 upon x is equals to 27. Do the subtraction. 16 into x is 16x square minus 10 upon x is equals to 27. Got it? Then by cross multiplication, 16x square minus 10 is equals to 27 into x is 27x. Okay, take the 27x toward the left side. It is 16x square minus 27x, its sign gets changed, minus 10 is equals to 0. Now it is converted into quadratic equation. Got it? So again, take the factors of 16 into 10, that is 160, such that their difference is equals to 27. So don't do the product directly. 16 into 10 करेंगे पहले, अब इनके फैक्टर फिर से सब फैक्टर्स करेंगे, 4 into 4, 2 into 5. ओके, अब यहाँ पे फिर से पेयर्स क्रिएट करेंगे. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. 20 और 8 का डिफरेंस है 12, एंड व्हाट वी नीड द 27. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32 and 5. 32 और 5 का डिफरेंस है 27. So which one is the greatest factor? 32. It has the middle term sign and 5 has the opposite sign. Are you got it? So compare बनाने के then we have to make like this, अलग-अलग से, but it depends upon the question wise. Question wise change होते रहेंगे, but this is the simplest way to find the pair of factors. Okay. So taking 16x square minus क्या है 32x plus 5x, the difference is 27, minus 10 is equals to 0. Are you got it? Then take the 16 common. 16x in bracket x minus 2. We need the x minus 2. Take the 5 common. Second bracket x minus 2. Taking 5 common from these two. यहाँ से 5 common ले. Okay. So you take first bracket is x minus 2. Second bracket is 16x plus 5 is equals to 0. Okay. Again their product. X minus 2 is equals to 0 or 16x plus 5 is equals to 0. So what is the value of x? X is equals to 2 or x is equals to plus 5 converted to minus 5 and 16 goes in the form of division. This is the solution of the given equation. Are you got it? Write it properly. Take the next one. Next question like this. 1 upon x plus 4 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equals to 11 by 30, where x is not equal to 4 and 7. So it should -4 होना चाहिए. बुक्स में रॉन्ग है वो. मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा व्हाई इट इज नॉट 4. बुक आर डी शर्मा में रॉन्ग दिया है. -4 होना चाहिए. फिर क्वेश्चन चेंज हो सकता है. लिसन, अगर x से हम 4 लेंगे तो 4 plus 4 8 रहेगा. x इज नॉट इक्वल टू -4 होना चाहिए. क्यों -4 नहीं होना चाहिए? अगर x इज -4 then -4 plus 4 is 0. Anything upon 0 is not defined. If x is 7, 7 minus 7 is 0. That is not defined. It is infinity. That's why the x is except -4 and 7. Have you got it? So book में 4 दिया है, but it is -4. Limit it. So we take in the question. Listen. 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equals to 11 upon 30. We need the more level of concentration here. Question थोड़ा अलग type का है. So we need the laser concentration. Listen carefully. It's very important question. By cross multiplication we get the x into x minus 7 into 1 is x minus 7 minus 1 into x plus 4 is x plus 4 upon x plus 4 into x minus 7. Cross multiplication किया है हमने. Okay, is equals to 11 upon 30 as it is. Got it? Then by cross multiplication x minus 7 minus x minus 4, sign of every term get changed because minus sign से हम multiply कर रहे हैं. Upon x into x, x square, x into minus 7, 4 into x, 4x, 4 7s are 28. Okay, plus into minus is minus 28 is equals to 11 upon 30. Are you got it? Okay, plus x minus x get cancelled. Minus 7 minus 4, it is minus 11 upon, we get the x square minus 7x plus 4x, it is minus 3x minus 28. ओके, अपोजिट साइन है, सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है, ग्रेटर नंबर का साइन देना है. 7 minus 4 3, ग्रेटर नंबर का साइन -3x इज इक्वल्स टू 11 upon 30. तो 11 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ओके, तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? सो हम अगर इसको ले रहे अपॉन 11 आएगा, सो -1 एज इट इज है अपॉन x स्क्वायर minus 3x minus 28, बिकॉज 11 कैंसिल हुआ है, उसका साइन कैंसिल नहीं हुआ, इज इक्वल्स टू 1 upon 30. Have you got it? अगर नहीं समझता है आपको तो अपॉन 11 देना पड़ेगा, इतना समझना चाहिए. Okay, it is minus 1. Then by cross multiplication what we get? Therefore x minus 30, yeah, you may take the x square minus 3x minus 28, x square minus 3x minus 28 is equals to, okay, 30 into minus 1 is minus 30. Take that minus 30 toward the left side, sign get changed. So we get the x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equals to 0. Minus 30 convert into plus 30. Are you got it? So x square minus 3x, 30 minus 28 is the 2. Again, two number have opposite side. Do the subtraction and take the sign of greater number, that is plus 2. Okay, so you get the factor of 2 such that their addition, because the constant term has now, what is the sign of constant term? It is 2. So take the factors of 2 such that their addition is equals to 3. No, factors are 2, ones are 2. So x square minus 2x, both the factor has middle term sign, minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equals to 0. So we take in the x common, x minus 2. Take the minus 1 common because we need the x minus 2. X minus 2 is equals to 0. So what is the first bracket? X minus 2. And second bracket is x minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, x minus 2 is equals to 0, or x minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, minus 2 convert into plus 2, or x is equals to minus 1 convert into plus 1. This is the solution of given equation. Listen, okay, we have to practice the factorization. It's very simple, but need the consistent practice. Okay, मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड करूंगा कि आपको 15 क्वेश्चंस दूंगा मैं, उसमें से जितने क्वेश्चंस हमने यहाँ पे दिए हैं, in short we can say the question which we skip today, we have to practice it at home. Okay, I will send at WhatsApp. Okay, do it properly, practice properly, stay at home, stay safe, have a good day. Thank you.